big announcement. We're gonna be on NBC Tuesday nights in July on a show called Bring the Funny. That's B as in boy, gonna bring you lots of joy. And an R as in rat, you can watch with mom and dad. And an I, that's for me. And an N for NBC. And a G, we're good old-fashioned comedy. And a T-H-E space F-U-N-N-Y, it's gonna make you laugh until you wanna cry, but in a good way. We thought that you should know to check out JK Studios. Sing the chorus and it goes, bring the funny, bring the funny. Doesn't cost money unless you don't have a TV. Bring the funny, bring the funny. There's a chance to win money on Bring the Funny. And after taxes it might be enough to buy a car, but not a new car, just an old used car. No bells or whistles in our new to us, not nice used car.
The engine light is on. That's pretty fancy.
Chrissy Teigen is the judge on the show. Kenan Thompson is the judge on the show. Jeff Foxworthy is the judge on the show. Amanda Seales is the host of the show. Did I mention JK Studios will be on the show called Bring the Funny, bring the funny. It's sweeter than honey, but with 50% less beef. Let's make honey, that's kinda funny. Bees regurgitate the honey. Now let's bring the funny. I'm out of breath right now.
Bad.
This is real.